Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Monarch Series 90 heavy-duty lathe, catalog number 2502, listed as a 48-inch swing over the ways, 108 inches between centers. Actual swing over the ways is 50 inches. It has a D111 cam lock spindle, so it uses common standard chucks. 28-inch 4-jaw independent chuck. On the back of the machine, we have sitting in the pan a 20-inch 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws in real nice shape and a big through hole. This machine has a 4 1/16-inch through hole, which is pretty nice. 50 horsepower main drive motor. The machine was new in April of 1957. The machine has real nice sways, no chips, no ridges, just real clean hardened ways. The bed is 31.5 inches wide, so this is a very heavy pattern lathe. Can handle heavy work. Tailstock is a 2-speed feed handle on a tailstock with the heavy-duty built-in live center. There's the spindle adapter with the center for the headstock. Newall digital readout. Reads fine on the cross slide. The scale on the back of the ways was taken off because it was damaged when moving it. There's a block tool post and holders. Compound is in real nice shape. Never cracked or rubbed into work or anything. The machine has the wiring is set up for rapids on the carriage, but the motor was removed by the last owner. I have the motor in a box in the back. They said the motor needed to be rebuilt. I haven't verified that, but we do have the motor and the wiring is there to hook it back up. Everything appears to be in good shape. Switches, wiring, everything else. The electric panel is very clean inside. It was not worked over. There's a minor little drip or two on one of the valves in the back, but we're going to rebuild the valve, or we'll put new seals in it. Spindle speeds run from, it looks like, about 35 RPM up to 750 RPM. By myself today, so a little harder to make the video, but we'll work on it. We have it at 220 RPM at the moment. Carriage feeding toward the headstock. There's your cross feed. Shift it down to a lower speed. Put it to shift. Move to 3. For some reason it only wants to shift when the motor's off. And you can turn the dial on the head. We'll show you how you do that. When it's in the free position, it must be in free. And when the motor stops, it must be free when it's still when the electric is still on. Once it stops, it frees the dial up and you can adjust the speeds. Once the machine has power and it's running, it builds pressure, it locks the dial together. Actually, it looks like the lowest speed is 27. It latches in 30, but this is 31. So we'll go with that. And then we'll put it in threading so you can see the half nuts work. Oh, it won't shift until I turn it on. So pull it on. Shift. 31 RPM. Turning. There's the half nut speed. That was set to a very coarse thread, like 2.5 threads per inch. But it's a good running lathe. We're running at a higher speed for you. I mean, it's kind of scary in the high speed with the big chuck, but the lathe looks a little intimidating, but it is up on 6-inch blocks right now. We set it on 6-inch blocks when we brought it in. So that's what we left it on. Let's see, we'll crank the speed up a little higher. Okay. Oh, 95. Oh, okay, that changes the surface speed per minute. That's how it goes, okay. 750, I really don't want to run it at 750. We'll put it on, let's put it on 570. I don't like to run it real fast with a 4-drawer on it. So, let's see, we've got to go to the shop. Turn it on. Probably should have taken it out of the lead screw before I put it in a high speed, but I forgot. You can see it sounds good in all the speed ranges. So nice clean machine. I have a bit of stuff piled behind it, so it's not the easiest to see in the back, but it's in real good shape. Paint, weighs, mechanically. So check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.